Hello, welcome to Blissful Spaces. I just wanted to give you an update on my lanceolato kale. It's doing really good. Yesterday I harvested some regular curly leaf kale for a smoothie, and just a couple little bug damage, but everything is doing good. I'm pretty excited. I don't use pesticides, so I'm really excited to see that my kale is doing really good. And I have it next to my basil. I companion plants. So I have basil, oregano, oh, it's gone. Oregano, onions, garlic, a little bit of everything next to it. So I'm excited. Thanks for watching.